today we just completed the session. It was looking at apoptosis and necroptosis in alcohol-induced and non-alcohol-induced and hepatocellular carcinoma, basically any type of liver disease. The organizers set it up so that in the morning, the early session, we had basically basic science investigators, both from Genentech and Harvard, who talked about the reagents and the processes for necroptosis and apoptosis. And then the latter half of the discussion was focused more on how you can translate those basic ideas into understanding progression of different types of liver diseases. The processes of apoptosis and necroptosis are completely interrelated, and that if you interrupt or modify one of the pathways, it can also lead to changes in the other pathways. And so that it's a complex interaction between these two cell types or types of cell death, and we clearly just need more information about how the pathways are interacting. And a lot of it, interestingly enough, is going to be cell type specific. So some cell types will predominantly have a necroptotic pathway of death, while others will lead more to an apoptotic pathway of death, given even the same stimuli.
The workshop, I think, was a fantastic success. The speakers that we invited from all over the world were really magnificent, and especially bringing the people in the Liver Society up to date on the latest scientific advances in novel and new cell death pathways, which is something that hadn't reached prime time in the liver world yet, but is clearly destined to.
AASLD TV has all the coverage you want from this year's conference. Be sure to check out all of our content, which is updated every single day here on YouTube during the Liver Meeting in San Francisco.